Operating instructions. Factory settings. Any finger can unlock. Enter administrator fingerprint. Press the fingerprint and hold until the green light is on. Then enter the same fingerprint 8 times. A long beep indicates a success. Enter user fingerprints. Press the administrator fingerprint and hold until the blue light is on. Then press the administrator fingerprint to confirm. Then enter the user's fingerprint 8 times. A long beep indicates a success. Factory reset. Delete administrator and user's fingerprint. Press the administrator fingerprint, hold until red light is on, and press the administrator fingerprint to confirm. Then a long beep indicates a success. When a low battery alert appears, connect the power supply to charge. Tuya App operation instruction. Install Tuya App and register. Firstly, turn on Bluetooth and open the app. Secondly, click Add Device and select the lock. After adding, slide the button to unlock. Member Management. Allow the members to add fingerprint. Click Add, then enter the user's fingerprint 6 times. After adding, member can use the added fingerprint to unlock. Factory reset. Click the Edit, then click Remove Device. Select Disconnect and wipe data and make a confirm.